identify the type of connection the following resistors will have with the other resistors. Again, pause in the notes. After that, you need to talk about which is in series and which is in parallel. So the nodes are A shared by R1 and R2, B shared by R2 and R3, C shared by R4 and R3, and D shared by R1 and R4. Now the question is, what will happen to the hole or electron coming from this end? So they clearly get split. So some of them will go this way and the bunch of other will go this way. Right? Now think over. I don't want to tell the entire thing again and again. As you can clearly see, these three yellow charges will pass through R3 and R4. So what can you tell about R2, R3, R4? Yes, correct. R1, sorry, not R2, not R1, R2, R3, R4 are in series, correct. Now what can I tell? So clearly the parallel node starts from this end, node A, and ends at node B, node D. Right? Both the line rejoins at D. So what can we tell? Combination of R2, R3, R4, and R1, right? This bunch are said to be in parallel. So basically I can redraw the circuit as, let me do it over here. This R2, 3, 4. This is R1, right? This is how I can redraw. Next question again, please pause and think over. No point in just watching the answer. First thing to do is naming the nodes. R1 and R2 are connected at A, R2 and R3 are connected at B, and this is connected at C. We have bunch of electrons running over. They get split. So one takes this path, the other bunch will take this path. Now, continue the thought, continue the flow. What will happen? This green color electron will pass through this R3 as well, and they'll come out over here. While this pink color will come out and rejoin at node C. Make sense? So the point where the split starts to the point where it ends, all of those combination is in parallel. Now think over, what can you tell about R2 and R3? Yes, R2 and R3 are in correct series. What can you tell about combination of R2 and R3 with respect to R1? Yes, they are in parallel. I can redraw in a similar way actually. So something like this and something like this. So this is R2, 3 and this is R1. Right? You can just redraw like this or however you want. It's of no issues. Even this is okay. So please remember that it is only the connection that matters, not the structure. It won't matter. This is R1, R2, 3. So they are in parallel. Right? So again, I hope you guys learned a lot from this, because next time we'll be seeing such circuits. We'll be having values and we need to solve it. So please learn this properly. Okay. And again, the same procedure. Whenever you come across any problem, think over before you watch. It's like pre-prepare, is it not? You need to be prepared. There's no such thing as pre-prepared. It's been preparing yourself for the answer. Right? That's the advantage of video-based teaching and video-based learning. So you can think over.